funny. You're so cute. Ah, she's coming. Okay, bye. She's so cute. Good job. Good job. There's deers in the yard. I'm just watching. Press 1 for going in. You want the restroom right at the front? No. June, come on. Need some food? Gimme. June. June is right here. Come on, June. June, look. Come on. Come, Gigi. Come on, let's go this way.
She said no. Come over. Come on.
June.
Come on.
Come
Come on, June.
Let me see the kitty. Let me see, Mom. Meow. Okay, go put her down now. Yeah, what about that one?
You like the purple one better?
He likes whatever when you're not swimming around.
Oh! Yeah, you crazy boy!
Show us hi. Show us hi. Yeah. Crazy boy. It's an owl. You think? It's so pretty. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, he's so pretty. I was wrong. It's a hawk or something. Where'd he go? Oh, I think he landed, but whatever. I think it was a hawk. He was cute. Come here. She's a good kitty. She's a good kitty. Oh, goodness. Someone shut the door. Honey, come here. Meow. Yeah. He's so cute. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Penny. She's like, pay attention to me. To me, not the cat. Hi, Penny. Hi, Penny. Hi, Penny. Penny, wait there. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Oh. Oh my goodness, you guys are so cute.
No bite. I told you.
What you got? I want to see your beautiful face. Hello. Get a butt.
They just have two logos.
Did you get a butt scratch? Did you get butt
They already made a bunch of
scratches?
stockings with the
Are you ready? Yeah, no. Ready? No, that makes sense.
He didn't like it.
Alright, well, we're gonna go.
Funny boy.
Milo, Milo.
This is a funny boy.
When people at your school say, when do you want these concerts? Say any day but Thursday.
Maybe he likes it.
Why?
they don't ask.
He's just like, yeah, that's a nice beat, Lily.
Grandpa's hungry.
Something I can rap to.
He said, thank you for stopping.
Right, guys, I am super excited about today. Well, yeah, I'm pretty excited about today. I get to hang out with one of the bestest boys in the world. His name is Harley. Can you guess who that is? He's been in my videos before. I get to hang out with Harley today. He needs some watching while his parents are busy. So I'm gonna hang out with him for a few hours and we're gonna have a good time. I'm gonna give him lots of hugs if he wants them. I'm gonna give him lots of treats because he always wants those. And lots of playtime. So yeah, stay tuned. Harley. Oh my goodness. Harley, what are you doing? You're the crazy man. You're the crazy boy. Yes, him he is. You wanna go in? You can't wait till the people leave. Yeah. Come on. Come on, Adam. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let me get you. Yeah. Oh, he might need to poop. I'll give him some privacy.
Oh, you got a stick. No wonder he's jumping at you.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I was wondering. Has he been decent for you?
Oh, yeah. He's being a good boy. Wait. Gentle. Gentle. There you go. Good boy. Get a tiny piece for Charlie. Look at you. Look at your feet.
Because Charlie's getting excited too.
Aw.
Now,
Sit, Charlie.
Look at Charlie.
Wait. Good boy.
Look at his drool.
I know. He's gross. He's a gross man.
I know.
Yeah, sit.
He's even sitting
Kick.
for you before you told him to sit.
Good boy.
Oh!
You got one? Good boy.
Oh, he goes, I'm being really good, aren't I?
Good boy. There's a man. Good job. And for Charlie. Oh, Charlie has his paw on my foot. Good boy. Sit. Kick. Good boy. Good boy. Go lay down. Lay down. No, lay down. There you go. Good boy.
Oh, look at you. Look what they did. So cool.
Yeah. All right, ready? Middle. Good job. That's all I have.
Sweet.
Good boy. There's a man. Good boy. Yeah, you.
Good night.
Harley. Charlie. Oh my goodness. Come on. Come on. This Harley Barley. This is a good boy. Zoe. Zoe, do you need something? Zoe, I'm trying to get you. I'm gonna get you. She's like, I was gonna play with you, but then you took forever. Oh, look at those. Look at Charlie. Look at those cute babies. Sit. Sit, Charlie.
You can always throw it away next week when you don't need it, but you can fall in love with it. Right?
But no, because that's one more thing. we
Good
have to
job.
change.
That's it. That's all I got
I
for
mean, it
you.
is good.
That's all I got for you. That's all I got for you. Mimi. See? That comes out. I'm gonna get it. Yeah, like that. Yeah, do more like that. Yeah, there you go. You got it. You get it. Yeah, you got it.
Why can't we have the same opportunity as everybody else?